Hey guys, welcome to Aboudi channel. Eid Mubarak. In this video, I spent a day in Egypt in Alexandria with $10 only. You will enjoy this video very much, so watch the video until the end and don't forget to like the video. Let's go.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through.
Now this is me and my bro. We have to prepare our money. $10 in Egypt is 414. This is a lot of money in Egypt. We will spend a good day with this money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. We arrived to this beautiful place called Al-Muntazah Garden. We have to get a ticket so we can enter. One person costs 25. The four of us is 100. Hamada, go and hug him. Go. Ah, cute. And don't forget to take a flower and put it like that. Now we are in Al-Muntazah Garden. This is the best place for families. You can play football with your friends or your family also. You can run away to catch your little brother. Come, I will catch you. I'm faster than you. Come.
I got you. Say welcome in Egypt. Say welcome in Egypt. بص عليا بص. Say welcome in Egypt.
Okay, he's shy, never mind. Now we play volleyball. I will throw it to him, as you see. Thank you. Another one. I love playing volleyball very much. What kind of sport do you like? You can tell me in the comments. Nice shot, Hamada, nice. And he shoots. Hamada is the best player ever. I also like the view of the flowers. It gives me a positive energy. Now this is Al-Muntazah Castle, the most beautiful castle in Alexandria. People come from all around the world to see it. You look lonely. I can fix that.
I feel that I'm in Europe. I don't feel that I'm in Egypt. Look.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly.
So beautiful. The green view is very good. I feel that I am in heaven. Wow. She's so cute. Look.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
You can watch your brother is do like Tom and Jerry. And you can also do this activity. It is very good. Hey, Hamada.
امسك دول مع بعض.
Now we feel tired and we want to eat.
Don't forget to like the video.
Let's go now to get some pizza. We ordered a 3 pizza, cost 300 pounds. It's cheap. We just have to wait a few minutes to get our pizza. Let's go.
Whee!
Now we have our pizza. Time for dinner.
Let's go to eat pizza. Sweet.
I ate it and I feel that I am sleepy. I want to sleep. No, this is Eid. Let's go to the cinema. We entered a horror movie called The First Omen. Let's go. Now we are entering the hall of the cinema. The place is dark and we wanted to see our seats. Let's go. I didn't like the experience very much because you know the horror movies are bad this time. I don't feel anything. I'm not even excited to the movie. My rate is 3. Look, the positive energy. I'm hungry. Let's go. I ordered this crib. Very delicious. Yeah, salam. There's some cola. I feel that I want to sleep. I'm very tired. Let's play Uno with my friends. And this is my video for today. Eid Mubarak for everyone. I enjoyed this time very much. I want to repeat it again, and good luck to you. Goodbye.